Hello guys, welcome to Cratcode. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about HTML text formatting. Without further ado, let's start our today's video. So first thing first, I've written a small paragraph here so that it will be easier to differentiate between the formatted text. Firstly, I want to show you how to bold the text. Just use the B tag. This is bold. Save it, reload it. You can see this is bold. Then just again use a BR tag to give line break. Then we have something called strong. The strong tag is exactly similar to bold tag. You can see this is strong text. Save it, reload it. Yes, you can see this is exactly the same. Then why the two different tags, right? The thing is, when you use a screen reader, then the screen reader will emphasize or give stress on the strong text but not on the bold text. This is the basic difference. Similarly, we have the italic tag, or that is the I tag, and let's write this is italics. Okay, we'll just use a BR tag. And we have something called emphasized EM tag. This is emphasized. Just again give a BR tag. Okay, now this is exactly same as bold and strong. That is, both will be italics, but the screen reader will give emphasize on this one but not on the italic one. Got it? Okay, moving to the next, we have something called small. That is, it will be used to display the text in a small format. This is small. BR tag, reload, save it, reload it. Yes, the text is completely smaller than this one. The thing is, I have zoomed in this browser, that is why it is seen so big. This will be the actual thing. So let's get back here, and then we have something called deleted text. This is deleted. Use the BR tag, save it, reload it. You can see the text is deleted. I mean, when the screen reader is reading a document and you have this text deleted here, then what will happen? The screen reader will ignore that. Got it? Suppose you have written a document and you want to do this. You want the screen reader not to follow this, or you want the user not to follow this. That's why you deleted it. Okay, then we have something like subscript and superscript. So what are those things? The thing is, if I want to write H2O, that is the symbol for water, then how will I give the 2 under the H text, right? So I have to use the subscript tag. So if I write H and use the sub tag and write 2, and after that if I write O, you can see, yes, the H2 is here. But if I remove the sub tag, then what will happen? Okay, wait, it will just display the same as I have written here. So I have to use the subscript tag. Now what is the superscript tag? That is the exact opposite. If I want to write 10 to the power 5, I will write 10, use the SUP tag, write 5 here. You can see that 5 is above 10, not beside it. So these are the basic text formatted tags. I hope you will find it useful for formatting your document or formatting your website. Stay tuned with Cratcode, and in the next tutorial we'll have something new. Thank you. Goodbye.